Today, we're tapping on becoming a magnet to money. And before your mind immediately says, yeah, right, just stay open for a minute. Because whether most people realize it or not, we're constantly attracting money or unconsciously pushing it away. It's happening through our beliefs, our emotions, our identity, our nervous system, and the invisible stories we've accepted about what we're allowed to have. A lot of people think their financial situation is fixed, like this is simply how life is for them. But money moves more like the tide. It flows in and out constantly, just like the temperature in a house rises and falls around a thermostat. Most people have a financial thermostat they've unconsciously settled into. And every time life starts bringing them beyond that level, fear, guilt, stress, self doubt, or old conditioning pulls them right back down again. Not because they aren't capable of more, but because part of them still feels safer in limitation than expansion. So today we're not forcing money, we're not chasing money, we're clearing the emotional resistance, fear, and programming that's been pushing it away. We're allowing ourselves to become a safe place for abundance to land. So close your eyes and take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, I want you to imagine what your life would feel like if money felt safe, if abundance felt normal, if receiving didn't create stress in your body anymore. Imagine waking up without that constant pressure around survival. Imagine feeling supported, relaxed, open. Imagine having enough money not just to take care of yourself, but to help other people, create opportunities, experience more freedom, and actually enjoy your life more fully. Let yourself feel that for a moment, and then notice what else comes up. Maybe part of you feels tension. Maybe part of you feels guilt. Maybe part of you says, this isn't realistic. Maybe part of you feels afraid of success or afraid of losing money after getting it. Those feelings right there are the blocks. That's the programming that keeps abundance at a distance. And today we're clearing it. So take another deep breath in and open your eyes. So if you're new to tapping, just tap where I tap and say what I say. Repeat after me. Even though part of me keeps pushing money away without even realizing it, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have old conditioning telling me abundance isn't safe for me, I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though part of me feels more comfortable struggling than receiving, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm open to changing that now. I want to become a magnet to money. I want to allow more abundance into my life. But part of me has been resisting it. Part of me doesn't fully feel safe receiving. Part of me still associates money with stress or pressure or fear. And I'm ready to clear that. Money has been flowing toward me this whole time. but I've been unconsciously pushing it away through fear, through doubt, through guilt, through limiting beliefs that told me abundance wasn't for people like me. And I'm releasing all of that now. Maybe I learned to feel safer struggling. Maybe limitation became familiar. Maybe receiving started to feel uncomfortable. But I don't need to live that way anymore. I choose to become available for more. I choose to feel safe with abundance. I choose to allow money to flow more easily without pushing it away. I choose to become a magnet to money, not from desperation, but from alignment. Because money allows me to do good things. Money allows me to support myself, to help people, to create more freedom, and to experience life more fully. I'm clearing the fear of having more money, clearing the fear of success, clearing the fear of visibility, clearing the fear of receiving, clearing at a cellular level, clearing all the way back through my past. Clearing every moment that taught me to repel abundance. Releasing now. I allow money to flow to me more easily. I allow myself to feel safe receiving. I allow abundance to feel natural. I don't need to chase desperately anymore. I can attract from alignment. I can receive with peace. I can handle more money wisely and responsibly. The more I allow myself to receive, the more good I can do. The more freedom I can create. The more people I can help. And I don't need to feel guilty for that. I was never meant to repel abundance. I was meant to allow it and receive it fully. I am becoming a magnet to money, a magnet to opportunities, a magnet to support, a magnet to overflow, because I am finally becoming available for it. In my nervous system, in my identity, and in my life. Close your eyes again and take a deep breath in. Hold it and let it go. And just imagine what your life feels like when abundance no longer feels dangerous. Imagine moving through life without constantly worrying about survival. Imagine becoming someone who feels calm around money instead of stressed by it. Someone who no longer pushes opportunities away because they feel unworthy, afraid, or uncomfortable receiving. Feel what that version of you feels like in their body, how they carry themselves, how they think, how they show up, and understand something important. That version of you isn't fake. That version of you isn't greedy. That's simply the version of you that stopped resisting abundance. Allow yourself to become that version now. Take one more deep breath in and open your eyes. Maybe becoming a magnet to money isn't really about money at all. Maybe it's about becoming emotionally available for a bigger life. Because when you stop resisting abundance, opportunities start looking different. You think differently, act differently, receive differently, and life begins to open in ways that once felt impossible. Keep coming back to this session whenever those old fears try to pull you back into limitation, because abundance isn't reserved for other people. And maybe it's finally safe for you to receive more too. Drink some water after tapping and treat yourself well today. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.